The racing team is there to have perfection on and off the racetrack. Obviously, we're here to win, but we're also representing 70,000 worldwide employees that are part of Penske Corporation.
The way that we go about operating, the way we prepare our race cars, the way we present ourselves, the way we present our facility, the way we present our equipment, there is only one way, and that's the Penske way.
My name is Johnathan Diuguid. I'm the president of Penske Racing Incorporated, which is responsible for the IndyCar and sports car programs and the race teams that compete at each of the tracks that we go to each weekend throughout North America. Racing from the outside may look opposite to sustainability initiatives, but it can often provide a platform to explore and bring green technologies to the forefront.
My name is Yoder. I am the Director of Transportation for Team Penske. So XPEL is a partner for Team Penske and has been for several years. Once we announced the partnership and brought them on board, it was really exciting that we were able to start using their products on not only our equipment, but now currently with our facility.
We do have some glass garage doors and roll-up doors that trucks and tractors and car parts can come in and out of. The sun was shining in the shop and making the shop extremely hot, also making the work environment difficult with either glare from the sun or just extreme brightness when the guys and girls were trying to work.
Obviously, the immediate effect is the visual difference, both inside and out. But once you get past that, you realize the actual difference of the real field temperature by standing behind that door, especially when you have, a door right next to it that's not protected. It's day and night difference. And it's been something that's drawn the attention of most of the shop floor. It's been common amongst the employees as soon as they get down to that area that they marvel in the fact of how different the temperature is in the afternoon at the peak sunshine.
Team Penske really tries to engage with their partners and utilize the products in the real world, and also in an exciting competitive environment like racing. And I think that's the reward of the competition, but it's also the celebration of seeing how those technologies can perform on the track and help us benefit to end up in victory lane together.